How to sign in to Hyperwallet account 2025. If you want to sign in to Hyperpay or Hyperwallet account, it is very simple. Now first off, what I want you to do is go to your app store and simply search for the Hyperpay wallet application right there. So once you search for Hyperwallet or the Hyperpay wallet app and then you download it, right, you simply want to go ahead and then open the Hyperpay application. And as you've done that, this is the type of interface that you should be able to see right here. Now what you want to do is you can skip all this process that they have. It will ask you to choose a wallet. So whether you have the off-chain wallet or Web3 wallet, and what you can do is simply select it and tap the Start Now button and allow the notifications and hit the Access button. Now if you do not have a wallet or not created an account, you can tap on Create Wallet option. But if you already do have a wallet or account, you can tap on Restore or Import Wallet button there. So just tap on Restore or Import Wallet. You can choose to restore your identity wallet or your single chain wallet just based on what you want. And after you've done that, you can simply select your recovery method and then you'll be able to log in or import your Hyperwallet account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.